Whew, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. That is a big gator. Well, good morning guys. Mike back here with another video. Back on Sam Rayburn. This is an area of the lake kind of north near the Attoyac River I've never fished before. We have a tournament coming up in a couple weeks, and I've heard a little rumor that there's some bass up here in this river. So I'm gonna get up in there and we'll just see what happens. No expectations today. Really just coming out to try out this area, but it's kind of windy. You can see the sky looks like it might rain on me. But the reason I'm standing in my truck doing this video, I just put the boat in. Again, this is a ramp I've never been to. I just put the boat in and then got off the bank, and then right here, literally right here is a giant gator. Let me flip this camera around and show you. This thing is insane. I can only imagine what it would have been like coming down here at night. Never been to this ramp before. Hopped out my truck and had this thing sitting here beside me. That would have been, whew, I don't know. Anyway, let me show you this. Flip this around. This is a big sucker. There it is. I bet that thing is every bit of 10 or 12 feet. I mean, he goes way back around there. He is a big sucker. So, and I mean, literally there he is. And there's the boat ramp and the truck. So that'd been lots of fun. Walk up on him early in the morning in the dark. So anyway, I'm gonna get the truck parked and walk on the other side of the ramp to the boat. Well guys, I have fished about, I don't know, a few hundred yards of this river, and man, I ain't even gotten a bite. I've only seen a couple of fish like splash, and I imagine they're like gar or something. So I'm gonna give it just a few more minutes and I'm gonna call it, because this is not how I want to spend my day doing nothing. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna fish around this bank over here and then probably call it if I don't get bit. These laydowns, I mean, there's just, look at this. There should be a bass in there. Just no way. If there are fish in this area, should be right in here. No way there's not, right? That is a shame. Boy, that's a shame. Oh, I got a bite. Got a bite. Felt like maybe a sunfish or something though. It just tug. There's a brim trap up there on the bank too. That's my first bite of any fish. I know you can't see that, but he's right down the end of the rod. And that bend, he's a lot smaller than that one on the bank. I don't know, he's pretty good. He's definitely smaller than that one by the boat ramp. He's still a big one, but I don't know. Can't really judge size. He's not small by any means. So when I was coming through here the first time, I kept seeing fish blow up right here. I was leaving and seeing it again. So I'll give this a second. I don't know what it is. I think I can get my crankbait down there to it. Oh, look at that. Well, is that what it was? A little baby bass. Hit it when you hit it. Baby. What is in here doing? How is he in here? Right here. There's two little ones. And for the most part, they're pretty unconcerned with me. I lost my crankbait on that fish. Dadgummit. That was a brand new crankbait. He got it caught up around that limb, and I guess maybe there was a weak spot in the braid or something. Dadgummit. What? There's my crankbait. Turns out I did not lose it. How about that? Just broke at the knot. Sweet. It's not a bass. Let me get him out of here. Let me see that. That's cool, huh? GAR on a crankbait. I don't know how he got that. That's unlucky. So pretty neat. He's probably like 2.5, 3 feet long. He's a big sucker. There he went. Self-release. Good for him. Okay. I don't know. I've definitely fished in prettier spots. This is alligator infested, alligator GAR infested, giant Sylvania infested, dirty water. So I don't know, man. I don't think I'll be coming back here for a tournament, but I would like to get another fish on camera for you guys at least. So, but it is what it is, and we'll keep trying. At least that was kind of cool, right? Kind of cool. Drop a comment. Have you ever caught a alligator GAR or a GAR in general on a needlenose GAR on a crankbait? I think he hit it when I paused it like that, to be honest, because I've had them hit it before, but usually they miss it. So he just got it. Obviously you saw it on the side of his mouth there, so unlucky for him. But all right, we're gonna keep fishing. Maybe we'll catch a couple more bass. Would be nice. Oh my, that's a good fish. That's a good bass right there. If I get him to not come off of here, at least y'all saw him if he comes off. I'd like to weigh him. I don't have my net out though. See what he weighs. See if I can get him in the boat. Got him in. All right. Pretty good fish. Wonder what he was doing over here. Pretty solid fish, actually. Huh. Oh, he was so good. I thought he wouldn't. I'm gonna guess 3.5. 3.5, man, that was a good guess. 3.55. So let's get out of these bushes. 3.55. I don't know how long he is, but I'm not gonna measure it. Do a quick release on this guy. Well, I should have. All right, nice surprise there. I did not expect that. Well, that's my favorite bass fishing hole ever. Said no one ever. No, I guess it wasn't that bad. I mean, it was pretty tough, to be honest, overall, but I mean, it could have been worse. At least I didn't skunk. So let me get to going. I gotta get this truck cranked. It's about 1:30, and the heat cranks up here in Texas big time in the afternoon. It's been a heat index about like 115. So I'm gonna get going down the road, and I will close the video out here shortly. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Finally made it back to the house. It got hot. I think it's only 92, 94, but the heat index here is just ridiculous. So I got everything unloaded, just sitting in the AC for a minute doing the outro before I go in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was definitely different. It's not my best fishing video for sure. I mean, I went out, was out there bass fishing. I only caught the 3. But I guess I missed the other 2, so I should have had a limit. But as some bonuses, we got to see the 2 gators, got to see all those birds, got to catch the gar on the crankbait. So, I mean, for what it was a good adventure. It just was not a good bass fishing day. So I hope that came across in the video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do not think I'm going to be going back up north, to fish for the tournament. So I've been itching to get up north and try out some of those rivers coming into Rayburn. I got that out of my system. So next I'm probably going to go mid-lake and then see what I can find there. But yeah, I don't feel like that's going to be my best option up north just yet. I may try it one more time next week. I don't know, but for the most part, I'm done. Yeah, so I'm rambling at this point. I tend to do that at the end of my videos. I'm sorry. But we will see you guys in the next one. And if you do enjoy this kind of content, just fishing, bait fish traps, trot lines, trot lining, and eventually a few, just fishing product reviews. If you just like that kind of stuff, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. This is an old channel, probably from 2008 or 7. But just within the last year, I started putting out more content on it. So I didn't know what YouTube was when we started it, and all I did was just make videos for the fish traps. Now I'm kind of branching in, throwing in some bass fishing and some more stuff that I enjoy doing. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. So again, if you do like this, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and God bless.